Hi and welcome back once again to the Active for Use channel. I hope you are all doing great, staying safe and staying out of trouble. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make this delicious Ghana light soup. Yes, that is Ghanaian, Ghana Nkrakra Nkasa. This one is in Punam Kwai. This one is in Punam. Like everything is dry. So here I have my proteins. I'm using smoked turkey, smoked chicken, smoked goat meat, and then some smoked fish in there. I just added in my chopped onions, and then I went ahead to add in my blended mixture. I'll leave everything in the descriptive box below. Then here I added in a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning mixture to it at this time. Yes, and guys, please mind you, when I was roasting or smoking this meat, I added in salt to it, so it already have a little bit of salt. I went ahead to just sprinkle a little bit of salt to it, and then I added in my stock cubes to it too, and then I gave it a stir. So here I'm just going to cover it and allow this to cook. So every protein that we are using in this recipe is smoked. It has to be dried. In Ghana we call this mpunam, and mostly it's the bush meat that is dried. So here, this is my own mpunam that I've made, and it's also healthy and yummy. So here I went ahead to throw in one medium-sized fresh onions, some carrots, tomatoes, fresh pepper, and then I went ahead to add in my zucchini. I don't have garden eggs. If you don't have garden eggs, you can just use zucchini or squash or eggplant to make this recipe. But if you don't have any of them, you can just go ahead and add the carrots, or if you don't have the carrot, you can just use only the zucchini. So I added in my tomato paste, then I covered it for some time, and then after some time it was all done, guys. I added in red bell pepper too. I will leave everything in the descriptive box below. Use what you want, what you have at hand, and then you follow just the procedure. So here I was just taking away all the vegetables, and then we just went ahead to blend. I left the carrot in because I realized it wasn't too soft, so I let it into soften a little bit whilst I went on to blend this, and then I added it to it later on. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to blend it. So please, if you happen to be here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Just look at how beautiful this is. So at this time I just went ahead to add in my iron fruit. Yes, prekese. Prekese is key in this recipe. I'm telling you, you have to add prekese to it. My mother always add prekese to it, and it's always come out so nice. So here I went ahead to add in all my blended mixture, including the carrot, because I went back to add a carrot to it when it was a little bit softened. So here I just added that one in, and then I'm just going to give it a stir at this time. Just look at it. This soup was amazing. It was like so nice, and I'm making it in a big pot like I'm selling fufu. Yes, fufu rano mewaha. That is what I'm doing. So here I allow it to boil for about 5 to 8 minutes, and then I went ahead to blend half a medium size of fresh onions, and then I added it in at this time. Yes, and then I covered it and I allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, this is how it's looking like. Then I gave it a stir. Yes, I went ahead to stir it, and guys, this soup, it's amazing. It's so simple to make, and it's so healthy because you've already smoked all your proteins, and it has gotten rid of some of the fats on the oil in the meat, the chicken. You see the turkey that I used. So if you are in Ghana, you can use a krantia, that is grass cutter, for this soup. So here I just went ahead to add in water to it. at this time, and then I gave it a stir. Yes, you can, if you have your hands on grass cutter, that's a cranty ayaho ubetime use uko joma, you can just buy in punam. Yeah, that is how we call it. We call it in punam. In punu chese wa ho odi a good jaswa men wusie aho no. That is why you call it in punam. So you can just go and then you buy it like bush meat that is smoked, and then you use it. So here I just added in my mushrooms. If you know me, I love mushrooms. You know why? Because my dad is a vegetarian, so we always have mushrooms in our house. And you saw me adding a little bit of salt to it. Yes, after I added the water, I tasted for seasoning, and it's the perfect time to add your seasoning to it, to adjust the seasoning. So I found out that my soup needed a little bit of salt, so I just went ahead to add it in. Just look at it, it's boiling so beautifully. Yes, and we are going to have this with, you guess what? You just guess. Just look at it, it's so nice. It was feeling so nice. So please, if you are new to this channel, thank you so much. My name is Ernestina. Yes, your friend me Efia Boachiwa. I'm gonna hima me amini. So Efia Boachiwa papa bi I'm gonna hima. Enti so now subscribe here, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to have my with fufu. Yes, you can have yours with rice and anything of your choice. At this time our soup was all done, and just look at how it is. It's looking so nice. The Idan fruit is very nice, it's medicinal, it's so good for everybody. So thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you. Until we meet again, stay safe and stay out of trouble. I love you. Peace out.